Now we're going to start with the fourth problem. This is the last case that I am going to write the constant equations. After this problem, the problems that we will face, we will try to write or solve the problem using the tension work method, because more complex problems will lead to more big constant equations that will be very difficult to handle. So we will be tackling those situations or the complex situations using the tension work method. Now the constant equations, as you all know, we have to write it from the fixed pulley. This is a movable pulley. Let's suppose this length is x1, this length is x2, and fixed to movable distance is x3. So this is one single string. Again we write x1 plus x3 is equal to L1, length of this first string, and another one is x1 minus x3 plus x2 minus x3 is equal to L2. This is x1 minus x3 and this part is x2 minus x3. First equation, second equation. Derivating or differentiating the first part, we get v1 plus v3 is equal to 0, and the second equation v1 minus v3 plus v2 minus v3 is equal to 0. So v1 plus v2 minus 2v3 is equal to 0. Now in the previous case also, the quantity that has to be eliminated from these two equations, this is equation number 1 changed on this is equation number 2 for velocity. So the thing that has to be eliminated is v3, this one, fixed pulley to movable pulley, velocity shall be eliminated. Now v3 is equal to minus v1, we replace this minus v1 in this second equation. So v1 plus v2 minus 2 into minus v1, so your plus 2v1 and 3v1 becomes 3v1 plus v2 is equal to 0. Now in the problem it was given that this block moves up with a distance with a velocity of v1 equal to 3 meter per second upwards. So we replace 3 here plus v2 is equal to 0. So v2 comes out to be minus 9. Now what does minus 9 signify? That the velocity of block B, will be 9 meter per second downwards. 9 meter per second downwards. The same problem we will solve using the tension work method. So the tension here is T, this is also T, here it becomes 2T, T plus T is 2T, and this is the same string, so here it will also be 2T. Now if this moves upwards with a so x, if this moves x upwards, this moves y downwards. Now while solving these problems, we are just assuming that this block is going up, this block is going down, or rather this block is going up, this block is going up. Whatever we take, the answer, if it comes out to be plus, that means the direction that you are taking is correct. If it is not, if it is deriving at a negative value, that means the direction that we are taking is wrong. It will be in the just the opposite direction. Here we are taking y to be downwards and x to be upwards. Now how much is the tension acting on block A? It is 3T, 2T plus T. So 2T plus T, this is acting upwards and also x is acting upwards. So the W2 is equal to 0. 2T plus T is plus x. Now this is acting downwards. The displacement is downwards. So we write T into y minus T into y, because T and y are acting in the opposite direction. From this we can get y is equal to 3x. So deriving it from here, we can get is as VB is equal to 3VA. Y was for B and X was for A. So deriving we get VB is equal to 3 VA. 3 VA. VA means it was, I suppose it was 3 meters per second upwards. Yes, 3 meters per second upwards. So 9 meter per second. So it will be 9 meter per second downwards, because here the sign we have obtained is plus. That means whatever direction we have assumed downwards is correct. Now for this problem, we are only going to do the work energy theorem, or tension work method. WT is equal to 0. Now tension for this is T, this is also T, 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 T. This will be 2T, this will be 2T, T plus T 2T, T plus T 2T. So as this is a single rope, so the tension in all these parts is T. Now suppose the thing that is given here is the velocity of A is 3 meter per second downwards, velocity of B is also 5 meter per second downwards. They have asked us to calculate the velocity of C. Now we are taking the velocity of C to be upwards in the simple sense, because if these two blocks comes down, therefore these ropes or the movable part will move down. Now the strings will be pulled in this direction downwards, so obviously C will move upwards. Now the velocity of C will be upwards, so let us take the displacement of C Z to be upwards, displacement of this block A to be X downwards, and displacement of Y also downwards is Y, because they have already given that these two velocities are downwards. So X downwards, Y downwards, Z is upwards. So we can write the equation as 2T. We have to write the equation for the blocks. Now the tension on this block A is 2T upwards, and the displacement is X downwards, so it will have a minus sign, negative work. Similar is the case for this, minus 2Ty, but for this case T and Z are in the same direction, so Tz is equal to 0. So eliminating T, we get Z is equal to 2X plus 2Y, transposing onto the right side. Derivating it or differentiating it, we get Z for this block C, so Vc is equal to X for block A, Va plus 2 Vb. Now Va is 3 meter per second downwards. We replace Va by 3, we replace Vb by 5. So 6 plus 10 means 16 meter per second, and we have already assumed or proved the fact that the block C will always move upwards. So 16 meter per second upwards. Now another problem like this, one fixed pulley and two movable pulleys. Now in the question it is given that this block A is moving with a velocity 3 meter per second upwards, and VC, this C block is moving up with a velocity of 4 meter per second upwards. They have asked us to find the velocity of B, velocity of this block B. Now suppose if this block A moves upwards, that means this movable pulley is also moving upwards. If this movable pulley is moving upwards, the length of the rope will be moving towards this pulley. Now this system will move down because the rope is moving in this direction. So we write the tensions starting from here. T, same rope means same tension. T plus T becomes 2T. Again same rope means again 2T. This is the same rope, again 2T. 2T plus 2T, this becomes 4T. So if we take the displacement of A to be X upwards, displacement of B to be Y downwards, and displacement of C to be Z upwards. So X upwards for A, Y displacement for B downwards, and Z displacement for C upwards. then the equation can be written as for this block A, we can write it as 4t into x. Both the directions are same, upwards. For the block B, we have to write it as minus ty, because t and y are oppositely directed. Also for C, we have to write it tz plus tz, because t and z always are acting in the upward direction. So from this, if we eliminate t, we get 4x minus y plus z is equal to 0. So y is equal to 4x plus z. Now what we get after derivating or differentiation of y, we get y means the displacement of b. So vb for this is a, so va plus vc. Now vc was 4 meters per second upwards and va was 3 meters per second upwards. 4 into 3 plus 4, so it will be 12 plus 16 meter per seconds. Now as the result has come out to be positive, so 16 meters per second downwards for B. Here another problem similar to the problem of 6. Find VA. So WT is equal to 0. We'll apply this principle. Now this is T, this is T, same rope, so all tensions are same. This is a single rope or the longest rope, tension is same. Now T plus T becomes 2T here and T plus T becomes 2T here. So 2T plus 2T becomes 4T here. This block B moves down with the velocity of 5 meters per second. So if take that this block moves up, the displacement of this block is y upwards and this block is downwards. Obviously from the diagram, if we look at the diagram, then this is the heavier part. There is 100% chance that this block and the system with B and the movable pulley will move downwards, and this part will move upwards. So T and Y are in the same direction, so plus, and 4T and X in the opposite direction, so minus, is equal to 0. If we eliminate T, we get Y is equal to 4X. And now Y was for A, that means it is VA. Differentiating, we get VA is equal to 4 VB. Now VB was 5, so VA was 4 into 5, that means 20 meters per second, and the direction is upwards. Now problem number 8. This is a truck moving in the leftward direction with a velocity of 10 meters per second in this direction. This is a fixed pulley, this is a fixed pulley, this is one movable pulley in which A is attached. The velocity of A upwards is 3 meters per second. It will always be upwards, because if the truck moves in the leftward direction, this movable pulley will move up, so A will also move up. We have been asked to find the velocity of VB. VA is given to be 3 meters per second upwards. Find VB. Now again WT is equal to 0. Now T, same string, this is 2T, T plus T, 2T. Now suppose this is the block B has a displacement of Z upwards, this is a displacement of Y upwards, this has a displacement of X towards the left, because the velocity is on the left hand side. So WT is equal to TZ for this block B, T and Z in the same direction, plus 2T into Y, 2T into Y in the same direction, always with the plus sign, and this also T into X, but here T is on the opposite side of X, so this sign will be minus, is equal to 0. So from this relation we get Z is equal to X minus 2Y, transposing on the left side. So Z for VB, Z for VB, X for this truck VT, and Y for VA, 2VA. So replacing the values of A and the truck, we get the velocity of B. 10 minus 2 into 3, 6, that means it is 4 meters per second. The direction is correct. Now let us take this example. Now this is a advanced level problem. try to find out the longest string in this. This is the longest string. So start with tension force here, T. This is T. Similar is the case T, and from this side is T. Also from this side is T. This is T. So T plus T becomes 2T here. And this string also 2T here. The tension force of the Vc is equal to 8 meter per second and Va is equal to 3 meter per second upwards. This is downwards, this is upwards. So writing this equation, W2 is equal to 0, work energy theorem. What can we write? Minus Tz. Tz means this moves down with the down displacement is x, B moves displacement y, and this block suppose moves up with the displacement x. So Tz, okay, T and Z are oppositely directed, so minus Tz. This T and Y are in the same direction, so plus Ty, and this x and 2t are in the same direction, so plus 2tx is equal to 0. From this we get y is equal to z minus 2x. Now after differentiating the value of the velocity, means y means that of b, so vb is equal to z means this one vc, and x means va, 2va. Now vc was 8, va was 3, so 2 meter per second. The value of the velocity of block B is 2 meter per second towards the right. Now the last problem, 2 blocks and 3 pulleys, all are fixed pulleys. We are pulling this rope with a force F1 towards the right. They have asked us to find the velocity of point x on string. Find the velocity of x. So we take it as Vx. Now suppose this moves along the positive x-axis, a distance of y. This moves along the positive direction of the x-axis, take it to be z. Now if you write the tensions, this is T, this is T, so it becomes 2T here, T here, T here, because this is one single rope, T, T, T here, this also becomes 2T. So the total tension force on block A is 4T in this direction towards the right, and the displacement y is also towards the right, so 4T into y, it's plus sign. For the block B, the tension force acting in the opposite direction, 1T, 2T, 3T. So minus 3T into x, the displacement is on the opposite side, and this x minus t into x is equal to 0. For this point, t is on the right side. So after eliminating t, we get minus 4y plus 3z is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4y minus 3z. After differentiating, we get Vx is equal to 4 Va minus 3 Vb, because y for A, z for B. So for y was A was 5 towards the right, 5 towards the right, and 4 towards the right. So minus 3 into 4, that means 20 minus 12, 8 meter per second towards the right side. So Vx, the velocity of point x towards the right, was 8 meter per second.